My name is Ade from AdateRemember.com. We're all aware of the rising health conditions of our young people, just like the Gen Zs, the millennials, they are actually acquiring those critical illnesses as well. So what are you doing and how are you encouraging this generation to actually have an interest in investing on this health insurance?
So AI Physical Protect Plus actually is available from age 0. So you can buy it for your children, newborns, infants. And for younger people, it's actually the best time to buy insurance because premiums are still lower and then you can stretch your payments out over a long period of time. You also have more time to enjoy the benefits of your policy as you're younger.